Hi, this is Manish from bay20.com, and I'm doing a video series on how you can resolve small issues you face while using Magento as a platform. In this video, we will see how you can set up to use new database and how you can set up Magento to use a new domain name. So as you can see on my screen, I have already set up a Magento website, and now I'm inside cPanel. So the first thing we need to know to change the database settings is, first of all, we need to navigate, from cPanel you can click here on file manager, and then navigate to your Magento root. In this case, it's in public underscore HTML folder. Then we need to go to the app folder, then the etc folder, and then we need to edit the local.xml file. So let's open it up. I'm using cPanel to edit the file. You can use FTP program to download the file and edit it and upload it. And in this particular case, I'm just using the cPanel itself. And here, as you can see, we can change the database settings. So whatever new database settings you have, you can update the information. Like you can update the host, update username of the database, password of the database, and the database name here. Okay, so this way, and whatever, you can make the changes and then save the changes here. And after that, you need to go back to the Magento root, go to the var folder and delete the cache folder. After that, you will be able to see the Magento being mapped to the new database settings that you have just changed. The second thing that we will look into is how you can change uh, Magento domain name. Let's say you are already running a Magento setup on certain domain and you want to change the domain name. You want to set it up into a new domain name. Generally, it happens when you're using a dev setup. Let's say I'm using this dizzyexpress.bay20.in for some client, and when the time comes when I need to make it live on the live domain, then I need to make it dizzyexpress.com. So how I can do that? It's very simple. In the cPanel, you go to the php my admin. Okay, click on php my admin. That's loading right now. I'm assuming that you guys are also using cPanel on other systems like GoDaddy, Nexus, or on other systems like Heart Internet and things like that, or SiteGround. You will which does not use cPanel uh, as their hosting panel. So you need to figure out how you can access the PHP MyAdmin in those setups. Hi. Okay. We are into the PHP MyAdmin section now, and as you can see, you need to click here on the database, whichever database has been set up to use Magento. You need to click on that, and from there you need to open this particular table called core config data. In this case, this particular mgvl underscore, this is a database prefix that has been set up. So in general cases where prefix is not set, you'll find this table of core underscore config underscore data. In case a database prefix is set, you'll see the prefix and then the table name. To change the domain, you need to find these two fields here: web unsecure base URL. You need to change the domain here. I'll be changing this to, let's say, okay, dizzyexpress.com. Okay, and let's change it to dizzyexpress.com. After that, you need to go again to the file section. Okay, and in the Magento root, go to var and then delete this cache, and you'll be able to see the new domain being used for the Magento. And don't forget to change the DNS if your domain and hosting is not on the same panel. If you have any questions or you're facing any issues, you can let me know. Thank you very much.